In the fast paced world of the business and finance, insurance is not luxury, it's a strategic necessity. Whether you're running a digital agency, building a startup, or working as a freelance consultant, protecting your income, clients, and operations should be a top priority. But the so many insurance providers in the UK, how do you know which one is actually worth your money? That's why you're breaking down today. Trusted insurance companies in the UK that are consistently rated the best by professionals in business and marketing. Let's start with Legal and General known for their strong background in financial services. Legal and General offer more than just life insurance. Their business protection plans are perfect for entrepreneurs and partnerships, especially those who want to safeguard ownership shares, income, and employee well-being. The solid choice if you're looking for the long-term stability and the financial sound partner. Then we have Aviva, which continues to land the UK insurance market with a modern business-focused approach. Whether you need public liability, professional indemnity, or employees liability, Aviva offers easy-to-understand packages to cater to everything from the sole traders to SMEs. The digital claims portal is a fast, efficient, ideal for the busy businesses owner who don't have time to deal and outdated processes. If you're in the digital first industry, especially marketing or tech, then Hiscox is probably already on your radar. They specialize in covering businesses with unique risks like intellectual property issues, data protection claims, and contract disputes. The professional indemnity insurance is highly rated among consultants and creative freelancers. Plus, they have got excellent customer support with UK-based advisors who actually understand modern businesses model. AXA UK is another top tier provider that understands the evolving of startup and growing companies. What makes AXA stand out is their range of coverage options. The scale with your business from a one-person consultancy to a 20% agency. The pricing is competitive and you can mix and match policies for the customer packages. They're also one of the more transparent insurers when it comes to term and exclusions. Next on the list is Simply Business. Unlike traditional insurers, Simply Business is a broker platform that helps match you with the best insurance deals across the top UK providers. It's especially useful for the small business owners who don't know where to start. You enter your business type, needs, size, and the return options in minutes. It's like the comparison site, but designed specially for the business insurance. And the great option is Churchill, particularly for the home-based business owners. If you run a company from your home office, Churchill offers excellent home business packages that cover both property and liability. This is especially useful for marketers, designers, and consultants who don't need a commercial place but still want to be in a coverage.